Hello my dear students, welcome to another episode of JEE Advanced PYQ discussion. Now we'll discuss one question from inverse trigonometric functions. JEE Advanced 2018. See the question. Number of real solution of the equation. They give an equation, number of solution. Sin inverse of sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x raised to I plus 1 minus x into sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x by 2 whole raised to I is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus x by 2 whole raised to I minus sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus of x raised to I. Function defined in the interval minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Here the inverse trigonometric function sin inverse and cos inverse assumes values in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and 0 pi respectively. They say about the domain of sin inverse and cos inverse. We know that it is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and 0 pi. We study a very simple result related to this point, that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here we shift this term into left side. See, I write this as sin inverse of sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x raised to I plus 1 minus x into sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x by 2 the whole raised to I plus this cos inverse shifted to left side. Cos inverse of sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus x by 2 whole raised to I minus sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus x raised to I is equal to pi by 2. I shift this term to left side. Apply this result. Sin inverse of something. Same thing on here. These two are equal. Answer become pi by 2. Here answer become pi by 2. So I write the first step is this term and this term are equal. Cos inverse of something, same thing is equal to sin inverse of equal to pi by 2. So I write next step, sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x raised to I plus 1 minus x into sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity x by 2 raised to I is equal to this step, sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus x by 2 whole raised to I minus sigma I is equal to 1 to infinity minus x raised to I. Okay, we expand this. That implies, I write here, put I is equal to 1, x square plus I is equal to 2, x cube plus x raised to 4 plus etc. up to infinity. Sum to infinity terms of a GP whose first term is x square and common ratio is x. Formula is S infinity is equal to, you know that, a by 1 minus r. So I write here x square by, first term is x square by common ratio is x. Similarly, next term x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus x by 2 whole cube etc. up to infinity sigma of First term is x by 2. Common ratio is also x by 2. Simplify this, you get 2 minus x by 2 cancelled, x by 2 minus x. You should be careful about there is an x. When we substitute this term here, there is an x, x into x, numerator become x square. Next term, sigma I is equal to 1 to n minus x by 2 plus minus x by 2 whole square plus etc. This is also an infinity GP with the first term minus x by 2 and also common ratio is minus x by 2. This term become x square by 4. Common ratio is minus x by 2. 2 is taken as LCM. 2 plus x by 2 cancelled. Answer become minus x by 2 plus x. We then evaluate the last term. It become minus x plus x square plus minus x cube etc. which is equal to first term minus x and common ratio is also minus x. I write this as a by 1 minus r. Substitute all values here. First term x square by 1 minus x. X square by 1 minus x. See the next term. This term become x by 2 minus x, but here is an x. So it is x square by 2 minus x equal to on right side. First term there is a minus x by 2 plus x. This term minus into minus plus x by 1 plus x. Okay. Then I simplify this equation. Find the solution. Find the number of values of x satisfies this equation. That's the answer. Inside this interval, minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, how many values of x satisfies this equation? That's right as answer. It's an integer type question. Say, I just clean this. In this term, we take x is common or cancel x. We get one solution x equal to 0. Or x is taken common. X equal to 0 is taken. Why? That lies between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So we get one solution that is 0. One solution 0. Or you put x equal to 0 here. Left side equal to right side. Or easily cancel. Remaining there are x by 1 minus x equal to x by 2 minus x equal to minus 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1. Then simplify this equation. Here we already get one solution. Simplify this. Take this as LCM. Cross multiply this. 2x minus x square. Cross multiply here and here. Minus x plus x square by, open the bracket, 2 minus 2x minus x, it become minus 3x, minus x into minus x, it become plus x square is equal to, cross multiply this, minus x minus 1 plus x plus 2 all divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2. X square cancelled. X cancelled. remaining there is 2x minus x, that become x, by x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 2 minus 1, 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. I again cross multiply this, we get x cube plus 3x square plus 2x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. This term shifted to left side, we get x cube, 3x square minus x square is 2x square, 2x plus 3x is 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. It's a cubic degree equation. I write it as f of x, one of a cubic degree equation. How many solutions this equation have? F of x is equal to 0. We know that it is a cubic degree equation. It has at most 3 solutions. We check how many solutions here. How we check? I just differentiate it. That is f dash x. What is f dash x? 3x square plus 4x plus 5. It's a quadratic expression. See, its discriminant of this quadratic expression, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay, 16 minus 4 into 3 into 5, 16 minus 60, 1 6 minus 6 0, this become negative. Coefficient of x square is positive and discriminant is negative. This quadratic expression is always positive above the x-axis. We goes to increasing and decreasing functions. We know that if f dash x is positive, first derivative is positive, then f of x is what? It is an increasing function. F of x is what? It is an increasing function. That implies f of x is increasing function. Then this equation have exactly one solution. So we check, there's a chance of one solution. So we check from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. From the domain is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is an increasing function. So there is any chance to cross this x-axis between these 2 points. If it cross between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, then we say that it has exactly one solution. Otherwise, no solution. If it cross outside this interval, we cannot take that value. We check. If this graph, this function, cross the x-axis between these 2 points, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, how we check? Using IMVT, intermediate value theorem. We know that if a function f of x in a closed interval AB is continuous, then the equation f of x equal to 0 has at least one solution. When? f of a into f of b is negative. I just say that f of a and f of b has opposite sign. Then this graph must cross x-axis at least once. But our function is increasing, so it crosses exactly once, not at least once, because it is an increasing function. Okay. Here we check the interval from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. See, what is f of minus 1 by 2? We check either it is positive or negative. Minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, minus, not plus, put x equal to minus 1 by 2, square 1 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2. Okay. Take 8 as LCM. This quantity become negative. Simplify this. It is taken as LCM. Minus 1 plus 4 minus 10, sorry, minus 20 minus 16. This become negative. So f of minus 1 by 2 is negative. What is f of 1 by 2? What is f of 1 by 2? 1 by 8 plus 1 by f of 1 by 2, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 2. Okay. Take 8 as LCM. 1 plus 4 plus 10, sorry, not 10, 20. 20. 1 plus 4 plus 20 minus 16. This quantity is positive. So f of minus 1 by 2 is negative and f of 1 by 2 is positive. So product of this is negative. This graph crosses x-axis between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 exactly 1. So this equation, which equation? X cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0 has one solution. We cannot find which is the solution. The question says that how many solution? Number of real solution. Here we get one solution, that is exactly 0. We cannot know what is the another solution, but it says that there is a solution between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1, we get 2 solution. So the number of solution is 2. So the answer become 2. Okay.